Hello, welcome to the Go Dream Job. Our product would mainly help to provide the college students with information about how many alumni they would have in certain tech companies, and they would, with our help, they will get to know the frequently asked interview questions, and also they will get some basic information about the company, mainly about the salaries of certain like positions, and then help them to compare their offers. There are some problems existing in the current market. For example, for the LeetCode, we can see that there are only some practice problem set for the students to do the coding practice and do not provide any additional information about the company or the number of alumni they have in that company. And for the Glassdoor, they only provide the salary information or some basic company information. And for the LinkedIn, it is more like a social media that connects students and alumni together, but do not provide some information like the practice coding problems or like salaries and so on. Therefore, we came up with a product that can provide these aggregated information sets.
As for the product functionality, the user can input any company name he or she interested in, and our product can provide alumni ranking by college, frequently asked behavioral questions, top 5 legal coding questions, and the salary of the company for them. It would definitely save them a lot of time. For example, my friend had 5 interviews last week, and she needed to spend a lot of time searching on the internet for interview questions. Most students would be interested in the frequently asked behavior questions and top 5 legal coding questions our product provides, because it's very important in the interview. They may have same questions as we provide. Alumni ranking by college is also very important because students are more likely to be admitted by companies where their senior students in the same college work in. Our product targets college students, especially CMU students, because at current time we have limited data, especially the data for alumni ranking by college. Once we have enough data, our target customer will be all the college students, not only CMU students. At current time, the market size is 7,000 CMU students, and I think in the future, the number will increase. Job seekers always need to have all information allocated in a single setting, and our product provide a clean and precise format for them to check this information. With our product, job seekers don't need to search on the internet for the information. They will have easy access to behavioral questions and legal questions.
Next, let me introduce the business model of our company. Considering the salary information, alumni information, and interview questions are obtained almost for free with technologies of scraping, downloading, and API access, the cost of goods of our companies is almost zero. While on the revenue side, we plan to charge subscription fees or on-demand charging for our job seekers and intends to get ad revenues from companies who put their advertisements on our portal. We offer 2 pricing options for our users. One is subscription, the other is on-demand charging. The subscriber users will be able to get access to all the recent job postings and part of the salary information for free. While for the standard users, they can get the additional cracking the interview package and the full list of salary information by either paying $10 per month, $25 per 3 months, $45 per 6 months, or $85 per year. As for the premium users, they don't have any limitations to getting access to all the information in our company. The pricing options they can choose from is listed in the third column of the table. Besides, we intend to give $10 deduction for the user who invites new user to our company. Then comes the on-demand charging. This is a service that's intended for the unsubscribed users who still want to get access to the service in our company. They will have to pay in this case, they will have to pay $1 per record for the seller information, $2 per record for the interview questions, and $3 per record for the alumni information. As you can see, the unsubscribed users will be charged higher than the subscribed users so as to incentivize customer loyalty. We calculate two metrics for our business models. One is average order value and the other is lifetime value. For the average order value, the unsubscribed users usually pay $2 to get access to one record, while for the subscribed users, the average order value would be a recurring monthly fee around $10. When we calculate lifetime values, we assume the user will find the jobs between 3 to 6 months or 6 to 12 months. In this case, the lifetime value would be between $30 to $50 or $60 to $80 per user. As can be seen, it will be quite affordable for our student users, and also we considered it as a strategy to attract more users.
So currently in the market, there have been a bunch of companies working on different applications or websites, helping job seekers launch a career. So for instance, we have Glassdoor, which provides information on companies and job reviews. We also have LinkedIn, which is a platform helping professionals network with each other. We also have Handshake, which collaborate with like different universities and colleges that target college students and help them launch a career. We also have Indeed, RippleMatch, 1.3Arcs, all those different applications having distinct functionalities. So why choosing us? So there are two main reasons. The first one is that we're targeting college students specifically. Among like all the key players in the market, only Handshake could achieve this. The second reason is that just as I mentioned above, all the different applications, they have one or two distinct functionalities which make them stand out in the market. But when job seekers, they need some thorough information, they have to like open up all the applications and websites so that they could like allocate the information they want. But our application could integrate all the information needed at one setting. So for instance, we can provide information on salaries. We also do provide information on interview details, such as the frequently asked coding questions by specific company and also the behavioral questions. They also provide information on alumni. So students could do some alumni outreach in this way. So this will make searching information on the internet more efficiently. So I'd also like to talk about our launch strategy. So when we have our product prototype, we would like to negotiate with the Carnegie Mellon Career Center and to sell them our idea. And after that, we would like to test our product on a bunch of CMU students, and so that we could get feedback from them and also know how we could make improvement on our product. And after we like fully or we almost have our product fully improved, we would like to market that on the school weekly emails. Like some home colleges, they will send like weekly emails to the students, let them know that was new. So in this way, we could encourage more students from different home colleges to use the product. And after our products has been quite successful among same student body, we would then market the product to like other colleges and universities, so that we could have more students to use our products and benefit more students in their job seeking process.
Our product would first of all pump up a message that if you want to see some visualization information, you can input something like show to see the visualization output. Like this picture will show you how many alumni in each company like Google, Meta, Amazon, and so on. That is the CMU alumni. And also we will indicate the salary amount by the colors. And here we can see Meta has the most highest salary among these all companies. And Google is the one that has the most number of alumni of CMU. For the second part, we can do the same thing. And we can see the number of alumni, aka the influence that CMU has in each big tech companies. And we can see the number here. And also we will have another picture that only shows the CMU number of influence. And there are other colors means other schools. These dark pink, maybe Stanford or UC Berkeley. And for the next part, after you get some information about these companies, you may have decided which company you want to go to, and then simply input the company name that you are most interested in to get the exact alumni number. Here, we can see that Amazon has some certain number of alumni in each university. With the previous information in your head, you may now decide which company that you would like to go to and do the preparation. We also provide this information for you. So if you, for example, you would like to go to Google and just simply input Google, we would have the top 5 questions that are most recently or frequently asked in some online assessment, and then you can prepare these all problems. And also, if you get pass in the online assessment part, you might need to prepare for your interview. And we also provide you some interview questions, like just keep on search for Google. And for example, you want to get the Google interview problems in 2010, just simply input 2010, then we will show you a bunch of interview questions. And this is mainly how our product works.